Hi beauties, today I have Simply Gum. So I'm gonna try it for the first time today with you and I'll let you know all about it. So this one is called Cleanse, which is made with grapefruit, prickly pear, cayenne, and sea salt. So there are 15 pieces of gum in here, and if you look at the back of the box, it tells you that it's made with only simple ingredients. So there's pictures of all the ingredients, right? So there's a picture of let's see here, organic raw cane sugar, natural chicle base, which is chicle, candelilla wax, and citric acid, natural grapefruit and prickly pear flavor, organic vegetable glycerin, cayenne pepper, sea salt, and organic rice flour. So that's pretty good. I can sort of pronounce all of those things, and I kind of know what they are, so that makes me feel better about putting this into my body. So there's pictures of all those ingredients here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty simple. Simply Gum. So let's see how it tastes. I'm going to open it up. I'll show you the design of the box. So when you open it, like so, it's kind of sticky here. So you can see that here it says it post-chew wraps. So after you chew your gum, instead of just throwing it on the ground, you can wrap it up with one of these little papers. So let's see how these look. Yeah, so it's pretty thin, and you can just wrap up your chewed gum in there and toss it. But yeah, as you can see, they're not individually wrapped. They're just little pieces of gum. So I'm gonna try one and I'll let you know how it is. So you can smell the grapefruit automatically. It's like pink grapefruit aroma. So it's easy to chew. It's not really hard. Very light flavor. Not really sugary. Very like a small hint of sweetness. You can definitely taste the grapefruit and the pear. I don't taste the cayenne or the sea salt. Those must just be very mild hints of those flavors. But so far I'm loving it. It's easy to chew, and the flavor is there for even, you know, after chewing it for a few minutes. So definitely something I could see myself, excuse me, enjoying throughout the day. So definitely looking forward to trying more of their flavors, but this is my first impression, and hopefully you'll check it out for yourself. Okay.